Estate planning is important for everyone, even young single adults. Hi, my name is Alec Osland, and I'm an attorney at the Yanowitz law firm where we've been helping Minnesota families with wills, trusts, and probate for over 3 decades. When we generally think of someone putting together their estate plan, we generally think of someone who is older, they're well established, they have a family, and why I will admit that is generally the majority of my clientele. However, it is important that young adults also have an estate plan in place. If you pass away without an estate plan, you have no control over what happens with your assets when you die. If your assets fall to your estate, we have to look at state statute, which controls how your assets pass. And we also look at state statute, which identifies who's in charge of managing your estate and distributing your assets per the statute. If you have an estate plan, then you get to be the one to make the decisions on where your assets go and who's in charge when you pass away. With your estate plan, you can instruct where specific assets, such as a collection or where a pet goes after you pass away, and you can instruct where the majority or all of your financial assets also go. Further, having an estate plan also allows you to designate who makes your healthcare decisions if you aren't able to do so. And you do that through a healthcare directive. Having an estate plan also allows you to appoint a power of attorney who can act on your behalf and essentially handle all non-medical decisions while you are alive. Again, with the power of attorney, you get to be the one to pick the agent who's going to act on your behalf. Whereas if you don't have any documents, then essentially anyone can try to petition a court and be named as your guardian or as your conservator if you are incapacitated. If you do have minor children, it is incredibly important that you have an estate plan so that you can instruct a court on your wishes for who becomes the guardian of your minor children. Estate planning is important for all adults, young and old, and it's vital for everyone, no matter what their net worth is. It's important that you work with an attorney and a law firm that is experienced with estate planning so that they can help you accomplish all of your goals and wishes. I'd like to thank you for joining me today, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out when we post another video. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.